When Code Like a Girl started, it was with a simple idea: to open doors for women in tech and foster a supportive network. The tech industry wasn't built for everyone, and Code Like a Girl exists to change that. We began as a grassroots meetup. It quickly became clear women weren't just interested in tech, they were ready to thrive in it. But barriers, both seen and unseen, held them back. So we grew, from running school holiday code camps to launching an e-learning platform, to helping businesses with diversity and inclusion, to teaming up with companies to place women in paid internships that often led to permanent jobs. All with one mission: to make tech work for everyone. Women like Vivian, who landed her first coding role after studying web development with us. Or Rachel, who pivoted her career from social work to tech through our internship program and is now a consultant leading development projects. We've helped hundreds of women find their career path into tech, providing access to meaningful, flexible, and financially secure careers. And we're just getting started. But it's not just about individual careers. Businesses are rethinking what makes a great tech team. They're embracing diversity, challenging outdated norms, and building workplaces that thrive on inclusion. The future of tech isn't just about innovation. It relies on the diverse voices that shape and drive that innovation. And when diverse teams come together, it leads to better outcomes for people and for profit. Imagine your company, not just advocating for diversity, but embodying it. A team that doesn't just reflect the world today, but shapes the world of tomorrow. We're ready to help you build a tech industry that's truly built by everyone, for everyone. Let's reimagine the future of tech together.